Please read. Continental Rise. Please read.
Continental Rise. The continental slope gradually loses its steepness with depth. When the slope reaches a level of between 0.5 degrees and 1 degree, it is referred to as the continental rise. With increasing depth, the rise becomes virtually flat and merges with the abyssal plain.
So what is continental rise? The continental slope. The continental slope gradually loses its steepness with depth. जैसा नीचे जाते रहता, steepness किसको बोल रहे? जैसा ये इसका मतलब क्या है? ये कॉन्टिनेंटल शेल्फ आ रहा, फिर उसके बाद में ये नीचे चलेगा, इसके बाद में ये क्या हो गया? फ्लैट हो गया एकदम. इसको अबिसल प्लेन्स बोल रहे. It becomes plain. Lose its depth. The slope reaches a level of between 0.5 and 1 degrees. ठीक है. नॉर्मली ये क्या है अपना 0 डिग्री से 0 डिग्री से हटके कितना बन जाता है ये 0.5 to 1 degree. It is referred as continental rise. ये ऊपर उठना स्टार्ट हो गया. With the increasing depth, the rise becomes virtually flat. अब ये ऊपर होते होते क्या बन गया एकदम ये virtually flat बन जाता and merges with the abyssal plain. समझ में आ गया? क्लियर है? This part clear है? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we'll go for the deep sea plain or abyssal plains.